In a world where everyone is constantly seeking attention, posting updates, and chasing validation, disappearing becomes a rare and powerful move. It's not about running away from life. It's about stepping back to rebuild yourself. When you disappear for some time, you remove noise, distractions, and unnecessary opinions. This silence becomes your training ground. Great individuals throughout history have used isolation to sharpen their focus, rebuild their identity, and return stronger. Disappearing is not weakness, it is strategic retreat. It is the moment where transformation begins. Away from the eyes of people who only see your current version, not your potential. When you go silent, something powerful happens inside you. Without external validation, you are forced to confront yourself, your fears, your weaknesses, your habits. This is where real growth begins. Silence trains discipline. It teaches you to work without applause. While others are busy showing progress, you are building it. You are learning skills, improving your mindset, and developing emotional control. The strongest people are not the loudest. They are the ones who move quietly but carry unstoppable energy. Silence is not empty. It is full of preparation. Disappearing gives you the chance to rebuild who you are. Most people live based on how others see them, but in isolation, you define yourself. You choose new habits, new goals, and a new mindset. This is where you break old patterns and create a stronger version of yourself. You are no longer the person people remember. You are becoming someone they won't recognize. Identity transformation is the foundation of becoming a champion. It's not about small changes. It's about becoming a completely new version. During your disappearance phase, motivation will come and go, but discipline is what keeps you moving forward. Champions are not built on motivation. They are built on consistency. Waking up early, working hard, learning daily, pushing beyond comfort. These are the habits that shape greatness. No one is watching you. No one is praising you. But that's the point. You are proving to yourself that you can stay committed even when it's hard. This is where real power is created. As time passes in isolation, your mindset begins to change. You start thinking differently, reacting differently, and seeing the world with clarity. You no longer chase attention, you attract respect. Emotional control becomes your weapon. Situations that once triggered you now feel small. This mental transformation is what separates average individuals from champions. It's not just about what you do. It's about how you think. When your mind becomes strong, everything else follows. While the world thinks you've disappeared, you are evolving. Every day you are improving, physically, mentally, emotionally, but no one sees it. And that's your advantage. Silent progress is dangerous because it shocks people when revealed. Most people announce their plans. They talk more than they act. But you are different. You are building quietly. When your results finally show, they will speak louder than words ever could. And then comes the moment. You return, not the same person, but a completely transformed version. People notice the difference instantly. Your confidence, your energy, your presence, it all feels different. The same people who ignored you now watch you. The same people who doubted you now question themselves. Your comeback is powerful because it was built in silence. This is where the champion reveals himself. Disappearing was never the end. It was the beginning. You used that time to rebuild, to grow, to transform. And now you stand as a champion. Not because the world gave you recognition, but because you earned it in silence. Remember, real power doesn't come from being seen all the time. It comes from knowing when to step back and evolve. So if you feel lost, distracted, or stuck, don't be afraid to disappear for a while, because sometimes the strongest move you can make is to vanish and return unstoppable.